Hello, happy creatives. I hope you are well today. This is Canadian Thanksgiving Monday, so whether you're in Canada or not, I wish you all the blessings you could possibly have. Today, I'm finishing this book. It's the final page for this glue book, and I guess I'll do another flip through of it. But there's a couple of things I wanted to cover before I got into the actual collage page itself. First off, Inktober. I said I was going to participate. I have my prompts already and so on, but as you can tell from my voice, I've been sick thanks to 2 years of masks and hand sanitizer. So many people I know are sick. None of us have any immunities anymore, so we got to build all those back up. But I've been not feeling very well for a couple of weeks now, so I really didn't feel like adding Inktober to that. So I apologize. Maybe we can do something for December that could do prompts for every day for the holidays, various like Yule and Christmas and whenever Hanukkah falls or whatever, but do something like that, maybe fun on the channel for the holidays coming up. And the second thing I wanted to talk about was this. Isn't that cute? It's plastic, $1 at the dollar store, and it comes with this outer ring and then a rubber seal, which I think I put in the box. I kept it out so I could decorate it. There it is. A rubber seal that fits in like that, so you can actually, if you choose to, make it a water globe. But what I'm going to do, I think for my granddaughter, is with a hot glue gun, because that's very peelable. This is plastic, so you could peel the hot glue off of it, and especially if you could glued a bit of felt down first as a base, like a white felt for snow and some glitter, things like that. But I'm going to take these. My daughter went and got a second one for me so that I could undo them and do them up depending on the holiday. But it's a snow globe that I'm going to figure out some fun ways to do it, and we're going to video it. I wish I had enough people that might come to a live. I've never done one before, but there's always a first time, right? So if you're interested in a live, let me know. But sometimes I take my time with the things I'm doing, so that's why I double time things for you guys, so that you're not sitting there watching just endless minutes of faffing around, because I do a lot of that. So anyway, if you want to go and grab one at your dollar store or Walmart or whatever, plastic, easily okay for kids and so on to do the craft with you. Mine's only 3, so. But I'm going to make a video about doing some of those snow globes. So hopefully, what I'm hoping to do is get a video of the snow globe makings for each season, so maybe 6 a year or something. So we'll see how that goes. Now I have something funny to show you before we move on to the page. This I did 2 days ago, I think. 2 days ago, I believe. And I absolutely love the mood of this page. I am in love with the season of autumn. I love autumn, but I also like the way that this came out. Okay, now I was showing my daughter because I was very disappointed in something. I made a mistake on the page, interestingly enough. I made a mistake with and I read music, like I don't play an instrument really well, but I do read music. So after I had laid down the gold music, which I love this stuff, I don't know where to get more. If you do, put it in the comments, because it goes clear on pages if you use the right stuff. Anyway, anybody that reads music will see that I put it in upside down. Treble clefs, bass clefs, they're all upside down. It's ridiculous. And I felt like such a fool after I had closed off the camera and taken a look and so on. So I wasn't even going to fess up to it, to be honest. But then my daughter said, but look at the lettering that you have, the sentiment you have next to it, toying with perfection. So what this told me rather clearly was a bit of an underlying lesson, and that is that no matter what we do, it can't be perfect. We're humans. Nothing we do is perfect. There will always be some imperfection we'll find, but we can't do that with ourselves. We need to allow ourselves to make the mistakes. I felt so foolish, but now to me the whole page just even comes together even more. So thank you, Kel, and I wanted to let you guys know I kind of laughed at myself, got angry at myself, and then learned a really cool lesson, because when I put this in, I had no idea I had put this in upside down. So funny how the universe kind of teaches us lessons whether we want to or not, right? So I am going to go on to the final page. Remember, this was, I think, well, I've been doing a lot lately, so the final page is got a theme of doors and windows, going in and going out. And it's going to be kind of plain, probably kind of quick, because it's all buildings, doors, and windows, and so on. I wanted to challenge myself to see how I could put it together so that it created at least something interesting. So I guess we'll see. But this is the last empty spread in this book. So it's kind of a, wow, I didn't even realize the connection there as it being the last. So it's leaving. It's an exit. Doors and windows. Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to put some background music in, double time this so you folks aren't sitting around for too long. And I hope you have a wonderful week ahead.